So shall we hop into the session? Yeah, I will do a quick process that will help you understand premature ejaculation a little bit more. Okay, are we all ready? Yes, I'm sure we are all ready. Yeah. Okay, great. So I want you to all sit very comfortably, find a comfortable position, right? This is a very private subject, so maybe you want to put on your headphones, right? Or if you're alone in the room, it's fine. Find a place where you feel safe. You can sit. I would suggest don't lie down because you go into sleep, right? Close your eyes, take few deep breaths to start with, okay? I will help you in this process, a guided process. And whatever problem, it may not be premature ejaculation, it can be any challenges that you're going through. And if you're a woman who is attending, you can also go into any other challenge that you're going through, okay? So take few deep breaths, inhale, exhale. So you can inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Let go of any tension in the body as you exhale, okay? For 10-15 minutes, I would like you to be with this process, and I'm hoping it will help you. So keep focusing on the breath, friends. Inhale, exhale. Inhale deep, exhale deep. So you empty yourself fully as you exhale. Inhale, all this comfort, loving sensation. You are in the session because you love yourself. You are in the session, because you want to help yourself, right? Somewhere. So that love, and exhale all the stress, let it go out of the body. Inhale, exhale. Inhale as deep as possible and exhale. Now, be with the gentle breath, normal, natural breath. And put your whole attention to the inhale and exhale. Any thoughts, any external things that is disturbing you right now, let it go. Like everything can wait outside the room at this moment for 10-15 minutes, right? And then you can come back to your daily thoughts. As of now, let the thoughts all leave you, and you are in this calm state. You're noticing your chest or your abdomen as you're breathing, it's expanding and it's relaxing. And come to the natural rhythm of the breath, okay? Come to the natural rhythm. Make sure your legs are very comfortable. Check your feet, your calves, your knee, thighs, buttocks, hip, whole backbone, lower backbone, upper backbone, the lower back, upper back. Drop your shoulders. Make sure your hands are relaxed, all your fingers are relaxed, belly is relaxed, chest is relaxed, throat, neck, your entire face. Relax. Top of the head, the sides of the head, back of the head. And now from the top of the head, I'd like you to slowly go down and scan the entire body. So slowly scan all the body from top till bottom. Notice any sensation that you're feeling. So down from your forehead, your eyes, your cheeks, jaws. Relax each area as you go. And slowly continue to scan through your neck, shoulders, arms, hands. And if you notice any tension, simply breathe into that area and allow it to soften. Now, bring your awareness to your chest. Notice how you are feeling when you are breathing, inhaling and exhaling. And also now focus on your abdomen. This is another important area where the tension can build, especially during the moment of arousal. So pay attention to any sensation you feel here, okay, in your abdomen. Is there tightness? Is there warmth? Is there discomfort? And you're observing without any judgment. Just watch. And let this take you into a deep, relaxed state. Allow yourself to move deeper into a very deep, relaxed state. Now, at this moment, I would like you to bring to your mind a recent memory or a thought or a fantasy that you find arousing. Allow yourself to think about it, visualize it, picturize it, feel it. And as you do this, just be aware of how your body responds. Where do you feel sensations of arousal? Do you notice any tension building in certain areas, such as your abdomen, your pelvis, your thighs? Does your breathing change? Is your breathing going faster or slower? Do you feel any change of energy in your body? A change in temperature? Are you getting more cold or warm? Again, just observe without trying to change anything. Keep on with the thought, the visualization of this arousal. Be with it and observe your body, your emotion, your energy. Without any judgment. As you continue to hold this arousal thought or memory, see if you can identify any area of your body that feels tense or tight. Scan the body from head to toe or toe to head. Notice any tension, or stiffness in any part of the body. Focus on these areas and imagine that with each breath, you are sending relaxation into them. So as you are inhaling, you are sending the relaxation into it. And as you exhale, allow the tension to release. And now notice how this impacts the sensation in your body. Hold on to that image of arousal. And keep breathing. Inhale, relaxation. Exhale, all the tension. And let your breath slow down. Now gently release this memory or thought from your mind and bring your attention back to your breath. And take few more deep breaths, allowing your body to relax completely. Any tension in the body, breathe deeply and exhale. And now whenever you're ready, you can rub your hands and just lightly put it on your eyes and allow your eyes to open. Come to the present moment, feeling deeply relaxed. Come back with a beautiful smile. Okay, so what I suggest that you do next is write it on like a pen and a paper, right? Reflect on this experience. Reflects, whatever details you have gone into this meditation, just write it down. Did you notice any area of tension when you are focusing on this arousal? Were there any patterns or sensation that you discovered new and it got you surprised, right? And today, sometimes when we are in the class, sometimes we are not able to focus. You can do this when you are alone. Later, you can practice this and journal this, right? So this will help you to develop more body awareness, right? So thank you for participating in this body awareness meditation. And the more you practice this, the better you will understand how the body responses are. And this knowledge can be powerful when you are overcoming challenges like premature ejaculation, right? So one thing we need to do with premature ejaculation is to slow down and understand the energies, right? So as I said, at the depth of that iceberg is the mismanagement of energy. So all of us, especially men, we need to learn management of sexual energy.